Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umair Abad from Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. Today the date is 10th August and we had an online class with Primary 5 today. In today's online class I read and explained the book from page number 2 to page number 12 of Honey and Toto of English literature. This is a book of a story of a cheetah family in which the mother cheetah is Honey. Basically this is written by wild photographers and they named the mother cheetah Honey because her eyes were of the color of honey. And the baby cub, she had one cub. The baby cub's name was Toto. The name was also kept by the photographers themselves, who are the authors of this story. So in this story, the authors have told us about Honey and Toto, which are Honey is the mother and Toto is the baby cub. And he is basically, like, when the authors met him, the baby cub was only 2 months old and Honey was the mother. She was very careful. She's always careful about her baby cub. Since the baby cub is growing and the babies are not very familiar and used to danger, so whenever Honey used to go out to hunt any gazelle or any other animal, she always tries to hide Toto under the grass. And there are very many facts which are written in the book. You all need to read the book entirely. I am going to mention the homework in the end of the video as well, what you have to do. So there are very many facts written about cheetahs. Although they are the fastest animals on earth, but still they're not so strong. They're not strong enough to compete with lions, leopards or hyenas. And cheetahs are easily eaten or attacked by them. So basically cheetahs are not only predators, but they become prey as well of these animals. So this is just a short introduction of the story which I gave the students today. Now what you have to do is that you have to read the entire book from page number 2, and you have to keep on underlining the difficult meanings which you find in the book with a pencil. And in your English literature notebook, you have to make a title page of first assessment. On the next page, you're going to make a title page of Honey and Toto. And on the third page, you're going to write the word meanings. You just have to, all the words which you underline in the book, you just have to note them down in your English literature notebook. You don't have to write the meanings initially. Just write the words in your notebook and read the book thoroughly, because in the next class tomorrow I am going to be asking some questions related to it. And apart from this, yes, you just have to write the words and make sure that now, as you all have been promoted to primary 6, mashallah, so now you have to, not primary 6, primary 5, sorry. So from now onwards your pens have been started, so now you're going to be writing with pens. So whatever the words which you have underlined in your textbook, the Honey and Toto, so you have to write the difficult words in your notebook with a black pen. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.